your hand out of there. Get your hand out of there.
What's the matter?
Get your hand out of there. Get your hand out of there. Ah.
Oh, God, Brutus.
What is it? What's wrong?
Marge, Ranger Hart, come in. Marge, damn it.
What did you see? What happened?
Matt, stay away from the water.
Look at that. How's your problem, man? See, we got to kill them before they kill us all dead. What is that, fish?
What is that? I've never seen so many of them. It's like a school of fish, right? What do they want?
Maybe they're hungry. Let's throw Sam in and see if they
Stop joking!
We got to kill them. We got to fight or they
What
got
are you
us
talking about? Nobody understands!
Idiot kids. Don't stop there. Don't even think about it, old man.
Stop!
Oh.
Hey! All right, back up!
Mistake.
Carrie! Right here, no, come right here.
All right?
Yeah, she's fine, everyone.
What is your problem?
Carrie, take her hand!
Come on.
Come on! Carrie! Carrie! Get out! What happened?
Get us out of here.
Where's Carrie? What happened?
Kill the motor. Obrigado, não sei.
It's twice as big as it was before.
I got this.
Jim, the safety's on. Watch out, Jim! Watch out! Great. It's okay. You're gonna be okay.
Go, go, Jim, take this. March, let's go, March, let's go. Come on, Ash. Firebomb.
Chris, what are you doing?
Trust me,